How's it going, guys? SYG Tech is here. Welcome back for another video. Let me know if this introduction of the video is boring, so should I change it? We're in 2026. How's it going, guys? I don't know if this is good intro for you, but let me know if you want to change my intro. I don't know. I think it's boring. But let's kick this comparison with legendary SM7B, which I have here. We're gonna compare it to a very popular microphone, I believe in 2026, and personally my favorite microphone for now, because this microphone is being great. I did a video, I compare it to Fine K688, and I think doesn't matter which microphone you get, you will sound amazing. So the SM7B doesn't need an introduction. We're gonna compare it now. No EQ will be added at least for the couple of minutes in the video, because I'm gonna add some EQ on both microphones so you can just have an idea which microphone do you like with EQ on and with EQ off. And as you can hear straight from the box, connected via XLR to audio interface, this microphone sounds very natural, very bright for my voice. I do like it. So let me know in the comments down below how is the tone. Make sure to check this comparison video with some nice speakers or some decent headphones in order to hear this comparison. Now let's switch to legendary SM7B, which doesn't need an introduction. And now, as you can hear, this is the SM7B, which doesn't need any introduction. Because this microphone has been on the market for so many years, and as you can see, sounds very natural. I kind of like it on my voice, but I think it's a little bit muddy, at least for my voice. The P200Y I think is a little bit more natural and more bright for my voice. I do like how the P200Y sounds on my voice, but let me know in the comments down below what do you think. I think it's interesting to hear both microphones. And now, as you can hear, this is the PD200Y. Pretty cool microphone, sounds very nice. I'm gonna make sure to speak very close to the microphone because we're gonna hear both microphones simultaneously, so you can have an idea. And now this is the SM7B. Let me know what do you think. Which microphone do you like? This is the SM7B connected to my favorite Vocaster 2 from Focusrite, which I think this audio interface has been on the market for a couple of years. I remember this audio interface costs in the beginning when it was released around $300. Crazy price. I bought it for £65 a couple of months ago. But let me know what do you think. SM7B or PD200Y. I don't know. I like both microphones, but if I'm honest with you, I do like how the PD200Y sounds on my voice. Kind of like it. I like it. It's not very harsh. It's bright, which is brighter than the SM7B. The SM7B is quite, has this deep tone, which will complement many people. And let's be fair, everybody buy this microphone, the SM7B, because sounds very professional. I do like the PD200Y. Now let's kick this comparison with some EQ and let's see which microphone will sound better with some EQ. So because the PD200Y is bright, let me add some EQ that is not gonna make it bright, but in the same time it's gonna make it a little bit more deep. So let's change something. As you know, the Vocaster 2 has 4 presets built in, which I kind of like. So let's choose the warm preset on the Vocaster 2 with the PD200Y, and then we're gonna do the same with SM7B. So warm preset, it's coming right now. So this is the warm preset on the PD200Y. Does any difference, any changes? Let me know in the comments down below. Let's change the preset again. Again, I will do something. Now I'm gonna remove the EQ, and now this is without the EQ, as you can hear. And now this is with the EQ, as you can hear. There's a little bit a difference, but not much. And now this is the radio preset on the Vocaster 2 with the PD200Y. Let me know what do you think. Does it sound good? I think it sounds nice, but overall, I'm quite happy with this preset. So let's change it to clear. This is clear. Obviously the microphone is bright, so you don't need to be more clear. And this is the bright preset, and this is without preset, and this is with preset. Let's use the radio vibe again, and this is the radio vibe. I kind of like the radio. Now let's do the same with SM7B. And now this is the SM7B with no EQ added, but let's add some EQ. And now this is the EQ on, this is the EQ off. Actually, let's use the bright preset. As you can see, this is the bright preset on the SM7B. Does it sound brighter? I think sounds a little bit better. Let me remove the EQ so we can have an idea. And now this is the EQ off. As you can see, immediately makes a lot of difference when you add some EQ on the SM7B. But many people will prefer the SM7B without any EQ. And now this is with the EQ on. So let me know, what do you think, guys? What do you think? Which microphone do you like the most?